Yo YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be reviewing one of the pieces that I caught from the most recent revenge drop, that being the metallic silver embroidered hoodies. Now these hoodies are the French Terry blanks, so they cost a little bit more. They were around like $148 with shipping and tax and everything. It came up to like $158, and I received mine, I want to say around like Thursday or something like that, and just now getting around to like doing a video on it. I've had like a couple of days to be with it, but this piece is pretty dope. It's pretty dope, pretty decent. Now what I do have to say about the blanks is that they do fit pretty true to size. I thought they were going to be a little bit more oversized, but I think a lot of people in the comments were kind of like over exaggerating things. Like on Reddit, everyone was saying like size up, and well, I meant size down actually, but I went true to size, and if I would have sized down, it probably would have fucked me, because these hoodies aren't the longest, but if you go like true to size, then it'll fit you correctly. So that was another thing. And just overall, the threading, I'm hearing a lot of people talk about the threading. The threading isn't as detailed or as a high stitch count as the bread embroidered hoodies, which I can understand some people having a problem with that, you know, spending all this money, like why not just give us the extra thread count? But that was probably so they can make more hoodies, which I understand that too. But these things sold out pretty quickly. Now the baby blue ones went out faster than the black ones, which was surprising because I heard a lot of people talking about the black ones more than the blue ones. But I've seen a lot of people who actually cop the blue ones, cop the black ones also. I was not gonna cop two of these hoodies. I didn't need two of these hoodies. I just needed one. I'm fine with the black one. And this hoodie it's pretty good. It's a pretty decent hoodie. Now what I do have to say is it's soft. It is a really nice blank. I love the fit of it, but overall inside it's a little scratchy feeling, a little, I don't know, it just doesn't feel the same way the regular blanks do, like the inside and how they're soft. But so I'm hearing that Garrett is just pretty much done with the whole cropped hoodies thing, so we can expect these type of French Terry blanks or the regular blanks that we're getting now. And I don't have a problem with it. I understand he said that he was bored with it on a live stream. I don't really like tune into like his Twitch or anything like that, but I've heard people talking about the different things that he discussed over there. But this piece is like really decent, and I'm really excited to see what more that they will have in store for this year, since they're going back and reviving old pieces, or they're just like doing more iconic things and just going back in the archives and pulling out certain things. And I'm just really interested to see what they're gonna do in the future. I hear that it's another drop coming up soon, like a super big drop after the drop that we're gonna have this week. And I'm hearing this week it's gonna be the half zips, but I'm not sure yet. That hasn't been confirmed. That's just like something that people are saying has been confirmed on like the live streams and everything that they host, and they do like giveaways for like certain revenge pieces and different things like that. They answer questions on these live streams, which I should be turning into, so I can be more informed on what's going on with the brand and just have more insight and more personal knowledge on like the back end. But like I said, the overall hoodie itself, it's a great fit. I would say personally the embroidery looks really great to me. I really enjoy that metallic silver color. It is like really shiny in person, like you can like really tell it's like a metallic type of color. And yep, you can see here like I'm like comparing like the metallic silver to like my dunks and everything like that, because I plan on wearing these with my dunks. And speaking of, I haven't been able to do a on foot video for the dunks video, just because it's been always raining outside and I just haven't been wearing them. I'm not going to destroy them, but I will get that video up soon, and I will have a video coming up on a new piece that I have coming in, which I am super excited about from this brand. The brand is called Indigo Studios, and it is a pair of sheets. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be bringing you more content on revenge and everything like that. Now, if you're looking for these hoodies, no, I wouldn't suggest you pay resale. I would say just maybe wait around a bit until they drop like another embroidered hoodie. I know they're gonna drop more colorways or embroidered hoodies. That's like their thing. But if you really want this colorway, I would suggest you go to the, you know, common places like RXBEL, eBay, and GOAT. Now you'll probably have a better off chance finding one on RXBEL or maybe even inside the subreddit. But I want to say thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for just popping through. I will be bringing the review on the smoke tee. I got the long sleeve tee of the smoke revenge design. I missed out on those hoodies, so I figure I might as well just grab a tee. Now the tee should be here in probably like a next week or so, like that. I'll have that video up. But stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be bringing you more revenge videos as I cop from each drop of the year, if I don't skip it, if it's not mid. Because that does happen. There are drops that I'm just like, this is mid, should I really be buying this shit? But I want to say thanks again. Peace out. Drop a like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Peace.